Good day, this is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. Look forward to designing with you the truck that best fits your needs on your next vehicle. I want to feature the standard cab F550 coupled with the stellar T-Max 30. This is one of the lighter bodies. I've got the bins open. The reason why is they got so much inside here. It's an incredible opportunity to share with you. From the multi-drawers that have a 500-pound capacity, yes, I am sitting on the bottom one. It has capacity. This is an opportunity for your heavy-duty equipment to survive what they wouldn't survive in a normal body, along with a place to store your fire extinguisher, and again alongside the 36-inch wide pull-out drawers, which again you can pull with the lever, but you can't just reach in. It's got stability which you don't find in other opportunities within pull-out drawers. We have 3 different levels that are set with adjustable shelves, along with a mat on the back, on the bottom of it, to allow drainage to happen to where your equipment doesn't just sit on the floor in the middle of moisture. Moving over, we've added an additional upper tier tray in addition to pull-out racks again. So look at the amount of storage pull-out tray shelves that you can have with the T-Max 30. On the back of it, because it does have the generator, it has the control box for the generator. Inside here you'll find the positive, negative, so you can run your welder remotely versus having to climb on top of it to get access. At the back of it, we've coupled with it the liftgator. The liftgator sits above, and notice how the platform itself extends over the extended bumper. This particular undermount allows you to have 8 feet width for you to be able to put your longer poles and structures and still have storage in this wonderful looking body. Now at the back of it, take a look at that. That is a hydraulic down jack. Allows you to have stability when you're operating the stellar EC 3200 crane. The ease of access on the back of the body, again, when you're looking past the liftgator, is a 2-step bumper. Again, on the other side, we have the pass-through gate, the hydraulic down. The box itself covering our brake lights and spot lamps. As you can see, this particular one has a spot lamp on the back, in addition to a slide work light for best visibility. Now when you take a look at evening LED lighting, you have that strewn throughout the interior of the body, so that each compartment is ablaze with light when you're working in evening time at your body company's needs, your service company needs, your mechanics body's needs. And take a look again, welders, settling pockets. Again, ventilated to make sure the gases don't get trapped. A nice pull tight strap. More storage again on the side. Yet again, you're looking at 4 bays on the passenger side. This body goes on and on. I look forward to working with you on designing your next truck. Reach out to me. That's Mike Olden. You can contact me at 423-618-3323 or shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com.